Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and this morning I put out a video of how to protect your Tesla Model 3, let's say Model 3, your Tesla Model 3 from thieves, okay? And I put a link on above my head. You can watch it if you didn't have a chance. All kinds of, lot of thieves trying to steal a lot of content from Tesla. So, and one of my, I gave many suggestions. I really suggest you watch this video. But anyway, I gave many suggestions of what you can do and what Tesla should do or is going to do. Well, guess I saw a tweet by Elon Musk, and I read a big article that very soon, maybe this week, a dog mode and a Sentry mode, a dog mode and a Sentry mode are coming up. Let me talk to you first of all about the Sentry mode. Sentry mode is basically going to be focused on security, and it's exactly what I spoke about in this morning video. So basically, to employ the 8 cameras that the Tesla Model 3 already have, and to alert, to ignite, to activate the alarm if somebody comes too close to the Tesla. Not just passing by, actually recording if that person trying to vandalize the car, break a window like they do, and all that, and immediately ignite the alarm from vandals and to be thieves and all that. That's very very interesting. I did not see, in the article and or in the tweet, I did not see if the inside camera, the one that is above the rear view mirror, show you a picture, if that's going to be employed if somebody is already in the car. Well, I guess it can be, but if the outside cameras are going to set off the alarm if somebody is trying to vandalize the car, well, that takes care of that. But that can also, most people do ignore car alarms. I never pay attention to car alarms. So the thieves know what I know, that's for sure. And they can continue to do what they want to do even though the alarm goes off. But maybe the inside camera can record what they do, and you'll have more footage for later on the police to follow up and hopefully catch and arrest these vandals and thieves. The dog mode is very interesting, very interesting. It's basically to protect animals, dogs and other pets who left alone in the car, unattended, without ventilation. That happens all up. Oh my God, people do that for their children. So I read so many stories of children being left and die inside of hot cars or freezing cold cars. Just people forget their own children. That happens all the time, unfortunately. So that's when I think the inside camera can see, okay, there's no driver, the phone is away, the car is shut, the camera sees somebody inside the car, a pet or a baby. Maybe they can send a text to the driver or put on the air conditioning or the heat, depending on the that will be, I'm telling you guys, that will be, and I want to say, independent of the driver doesn't have to ignite anything. This will be done automatically. That will be freaking awesome. How many stories you read about people leaving their own children or pets inside hot cars? You just forget. Just totally, literally forget them. So that would be really awesome if Tesla can do that. That would be amazing. All right. So if and when this update comes up, of course, I'll show it to you immediately. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching this video today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.